What's up, YouTube? What's up, Sauce Gang? It's your boy, Sauce Boss, back in the building again, and you guessed it, with another dope project. Yes, another dope project, another one finna go in the books for today. So I was gifted this bedazzler a minute ago. I never used it because, you know, I ain't think I was gonna use it, but you know what? I'm gonna open this box, see what's inside, and we're gonna create to this and make some magic with it at the table of greatness. And you gonna see what I do as I come up with it, because I have no idea what I'm finna do with it right now, and we just finna make some magic with this and see how it go. So I have a buddy of mine, his daughter is having her birthday party coming up pretty soon, so we want to do something spectacular for her. So this is what we're about to get into. So man, we're gonna get over to the table of greatness and make some magic happen. Let's go. So this is the gem maker bedazzler. So this is what comes in the box. I opened it up already. So I guess you'll get a gem maker press, and on the gem maker press it has some dowels for the sizes of the gems that are going here, and you'll press them. And with this, they had several different gauges in there that has numbers on it for the side gauges. And then there came box. In the box, it came the gemstones, or with rhinestones, or whatever you want to call them. They had the gauge sizes of the gemstones, and it's right here in the corner of each bag, so you know what bag you're looking at and what size you want to use. So you know, I was gifted all this stuff, and I thank the person that did it, so I could do a review on it and make something beautiful for somebody else. That's what I love to do, making people happy. You know, so this is another box and everything like that. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do today, what a little girl would like, how to make this fresh and fashionable, and something that she would love, you know what I'm saying, for her birthday, to make her birthday a very special birthday. It comes out like I would want to, because this is a new something I never dabbed into, and I am giving a review on this and see if I love it. So let me just see. So, but we're gonna use my Cricut maker, we're gonna use some heat press, we're gonna come up with something really fabulous and fun that everybody can do and anybody can try. So So the gemstone maker for the jacket, the stones are in the jacket. It look amazing. I'm not gonna show you yet because I'm not done with it just yet. But now what we're gonna do is jump on the laptop, get into design space for the Cricut maker, and we're gonna make a dope design to put on the back of the jacket and down the sleeve. And then after that, it should be done. But we're gonna need the Cricut maker, the computer, and the laptop, and my sublimation printer to make this happen. So right now, let's just get into Design Space. If you don't know what Design Space is, it's a program that works with your Cricut maker. So right now, let me just share my screen. So now, you have the Cricut maker icon at the bottom. You'll want to upload it. You want to choose New Project. And now, in this project, this is where the magic happens. So you want to go to upload. So I already have some images and everything like that preloaded already up here that I want to use, and I think that'll be really wonderful for this project. So I'm just gonna choose this one. Right? It's kind of huge, so let's just size that down a little bit more. There we go. So I actually want to bring this down a little bit. So something like the height can stay the same, but this is what you can finagle with your project and see how you want to do it, see how you want it to look a little bit. So I'm gonna rock with this one right here. We're gonna keep that. Move that over there. Then we're gonna upload the other image. And I'm gonna have to do this twice. So I'm gonna have to do it as a print to cut and a print. Let's get that as big as we can make it, as the Cricut will let us. So let's see. It said we are a little bit over. So let's just keep moving it down, because the Cricut will let you know right here you are over and you have to size down. So that's what we're doing now. So now we are in good design range. Let's move back down a little bit. There. So we'll use that one. Right? So now we'll want to make this whole image.
Rejection is a hard pill to swallow. If it's love, then let it be. Cause if you force it, you gon' end up with your heart broke. I hope the rain don't come in November. Cause the summer went way too fast. I'm trying real hard to remember all of the good times and memories we had. And she called out crying. You said our love
The work that I did on this jacket came out pretty dope. She gonna be a fly little girl out here, you know what I'm saying, with her swag on and everything, you know, dripping hard. She gonna be dripping real hard. But hey, that's what I think. please, and if you like it, like, share, subscribe, drop your boy a comment. But no further ado, let's go get some B-roll and check it out.
Wake up to the, wow. Wake up to the money, turn me right on. You look like you got dressed with no lights on. A Superman that spin like a cyclone. Fit check, spin like a cyclone. Wake up to the money, turn me right on. You look like you got dressed with no lights on. A Superman that spin like a cyclone. Fit check, spin like a cyclone. Wow. Get just hit that mirror for that fit check. Drip coming down the waist, that back don't get wet. Daddy, you gotta chill, that's what my kids say. Daddy been paying bills, my pockets bend down. Ben Franklin's. I get money, then get low, see what you thinking. Orange label in my hand, guess what I'm drinking. Ever since I dropped top speed, my line's been janking. Wake up to the money, turn me right on. You look like you got dressed with no lights on. A Superman that spin like a cyclone. Fit check, spin like a cyclone. Wake up to the money, turn me right on. You look like you got dressed with no lights on. A Superman that spin like a cyclone. Fit check, spin like a cyclone. Yeah, I was with the grease, I was with the grit. Yeah, leave you out to freeze if you're not legit. No. Tried to call my bluff, I was stacking chips, yeah. Mad years it was rough, now I flipped the switch, whoa. Big checks on my body, I'm not talking swish, no. Please just get from around me, don't you move an inch, yeah. Don't mean to be rude, but I'm not taking pics, no. You keep making moves, but never taking risks, how? Wake up to the money, turn me right on. You look like you got dressed with no lights on. A Superman that spin like a cyclone. Fit check, spin like a cyclone.
What did you think about the project? I think it came out pretty dope. What do you think? I think she gonna be a fly little girl dripping on the playground. For real, for real. Hey, and this is something that you could try at home for yourself, for your boy, for your girl, or for a client you might have. And if you mess up, it's okay. Try again, and just come back and watch my videos. That's what I'm here for, to help you to get better at what you want to do. And if you like it, like, share, subscribe, and drop your boy a comment and let me know how I did. And if you try this at home, hit me up and send me some pictures. Let me see what you have done. Never stop striving, never stop dreaming, and never stop designing. It's your boy Sauce Boss. Until the next time, you know I'm out. Rah!